Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Day number 23. We are moving right along, and before we get into today's video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification so you know when I'm dropping my next affiliate marketing video, also when I'm going live. It takes 2 seconds and it helps the channel out a lot, guys. So listen, today we're going to keep it very, very short and concise and right to the point and show you how powerful leveraging a system is, how powerful leveraging an affiliate marketing system is, and how fast you can make money online, guys. It's very simple. All you have to do is follow the action steps and take action, guys. It's no easier than that. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video, but make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can get my bonuses that are included in this series, guys. All right. And if you just started watching, make sure you go back to video number 1. I'm gonna leave the link for the playlist down below and start watching video by video, and you can start catching up. All right. I will see you at the end of this video. All right. Bye.
So, quick story, I uploaded this video yesterday, roughly 23 hours ago, and I showed you guys some action steps in that video. I sent out a simple email to an affiliate offer, and it actually produced over $500 in income. So you're gonna definitely wanna watch that video in the description below so you can actually see the action steps that I took to create this specific income. Let's actually show you this income real quickly. So today is in fact February 26, 2023, $187 from this income stream. Let's go ahead and pull up the trusty calculator. So 187 plus the next income stream, we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, $100 here. So let's add $100 here plus the next income stream. We've done 168.80. So let's do 168.80. And guys, this is just from one freaking email. That's $455 so far, plus $80 from this income stream today. So let's add $80. And that is $535.80. And all I did is I went to this email swipe file. This will actually be in the description below, along with the exact affiliate offer that I promoted. And all I did is I went here and I copied email 18 right here. Again, if you're new, you can actually start with email 1. And we'll show you exactly where I sent this email out to. So we're going to kind of do this in reverse order from the last video. Again, you're going to want to go ahead and check out my video from yesterday to understand the whole entire context of this video. But just complete this video first before you go to this video here in the description, okay? So just follow me here. All I did was I took one of these emails. So today we're actually going to take email 19, and I'm going to copy the subject line right here. And then we're going to go to a software known as My Lead Gen Secret. Again, this is going to be step by step in the description below. And then all I did is I went to create message, and I selected all the emails here to send to. And you could see that we're getting 200 leads per day automatically from the system. So it's really cool. You sign up for the system and you start by getting 100 leads per day. Then as you bring in people to this very system, they will actually up you to 200 leads per day. So I haven't shown you guys, but I'm also earning from promoting this system too. You can see that I've earned $1,672 to date. And even today, the 26th, we've earned 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So an extra 40 bucks. So it's like almost $600 for the whole entire day. So not only can you use this to promote offers, but you can use this to also promote My Lead Gen Secret itself and earn commissions from this system itself. Really, really cool. So all I did is I used this system and I created a message. I selected all my leads and I simply just copied the email swipes here. So we're just going to copy email 19 right here. And then we're going to jump back over here and we're going to paste the subject line. And then we're going to jump down here and we're going to delete this area. And we're going to copy this whole entire bit right here. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to copy over the body to this area here. All right. And then we're going to just change the spacing so it looks nice and tight. And we can leave it just like that. And at the end, we'll put "to your success, Josh." And then what we'll do is we'll highlight this whole entire area. And then we'll make sure we remove the bolding. And what you want to do here, you might be wondering, well, what affiliate offer are we sending people to? And the affiliate offer that we're sending people to is known as Multiple Income Funnel. Okay, so I'm actually at the home page here. We're going to log in and then we're going to go to links right here. And then all I did is I took this link right here. Okay, I highlighted it, copied it, and then I pasted it over here. So we're going to highlight this area. We're going to remove the link that I have right there right now. Then we're going to highlight it again, and we're going to add our Multiple Income Funnel link. So you do want to make sure you remove the HTTPS from right here because it's already right here. All you need is a www. And then your affiliate link here, and then press OK. After you do that, all you're going to do is select perfect timing and then send email. That's all I did. Now the email is being sent out and I can go to the home page here and I can check out all my data. So granted, I sent to 6,700 leads yesterday that produced the income that you see here, that you see here, that you see here, and you also saw over here in my business section in my commissions right here. So guys, this stuff works and it works extremely well. Now you do have to be patient because they're just going to give you 100 leads per day starting off. And you can see that that builds up over time. So you can see if we go back here, we had 3,100 leads and now we have nearly double, which gives us the opportunity to earn double the money. And so just understand when you're starting out, you have to be patient and send out these emails daily. And I've got just tons of emails written up for you that you can send out. So what you're going to want to need in this specific video is step one is you want Multiple Income Funnel here. So you can go to the link section and you can promote this. So you want to go ahead and grab the Multiple Income Funnel so you can promote it. And when you first get the Multiple Income Funnel, make sure you complete all the steps here and set up all your income streams so you can start earning from these multiple income streams. The cool thing about this system is you're not just earning one income stream from one affiliate link, you're actually earning multiple income streams. And that's what I'm able to show you guys right here is all these different income streams that I'm earning on. And you guys have the ability to do the same thing. Most new affiliates are making the mistake of promoting just one product with one affiliate link. What you want to do is promote a system like Multiple Income Funnel that has multiple affiliate links built in for you. So you do the work once and share one affiliate link, but you're earning from multiple income streams, and that's what makes it very powerful. So watch all the steps right here. And then once you get your Multiple Income Funnel set up, then you want to sign up for My Lead Gen Secret as step number 2. And then step number 3, you want to start sending these emails out with your Multiple Income Funnel affiliate links. okay, that are right here in the link section. And it's really that simple. Do those steps and you can start earning. So make sure you complete all the steps below. And also, as the last step, watch the playlist that I've created that will help you expand this formula faster and make even more money.
All right, guys, I know you got value from that video. Although the video was short and right to the point, it just shows you the power of leveraging YouTube and showing you exactly by taking action and doing the daily action steps how you yourself can go ahead and start making more money online, guys. But if you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe to the channel, as well as give me a follow over on Facebook, guys. I will leave my link to my Facebook page below. Also, I have a private Facebook right here, guys. Team Level Up, where I go into affiliate marketing tips. I show you things in affiliate marketing, as well as some motivational things as well that I do for my community, guys. So make sure you go ahead and join that group as well. And I will see you back here for day number 24 tomorrow. All right? I'll see you then. Bye for now.